Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ballecia for my wonderful subscribers. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those just watching the video, we do hope that you stick around and welcome. Now, today's quote for the day is, life is too short to wake up in the morning with regrets. So love the people who treat you right and forget about the ones who don't. Okay? All right, now let's get right into the video. Today, I'm bringing opportunities, plural, from Zoom. Now I'm going to do this video a little bit like how I did the previous ones. I'm a big believer in don't just give a man a fish, teach him how to fish. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to go about doing your job research and filtering those jobs that would be specific to your needs and your background. Okay, so of course, the first thing you can do is go ahead and Google Zoom. All right. This will be, I'm located in the United States, so it's going to show the US based web. Right. So I come here whenever, I'm going on Zoom while I was doing this research to show you guys. So you go to Zoom, you scroll all the way to the bottom. Most websites have their careers page or a job offer link at the bottom. On Zoom, it's under About right here. Just scroll to careers, click on that. Okay. And it's going to show you the different options available. All right. Now they're going to tell you some stuff about, their teams and stuff like that. You can go ahead and read all of that. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and click right here where it says all jobs in the upper right hand corner. It's right for me. I'm not sure if it's left for you, but view all jobs. Just go ahead and click on that. It says we're hiring. Okay. It says Zoom offers a structured hybrid working environment for our employees. Okay, and our structured hybrid approach is centered around our offices and remote work environments. The work style of each role, hybrid, remote, or in person, is indicated in the job description or posting. I normally review remote jobs for you guys. So here are the filters over here on the left hand side. You can go ahead and click this box right here. It will filter and only show you remote jobs. It won't show you hybrid. It may show you some hybrid, but it's not going to show you like in office jobs. Okay. Now, depending on the roles that you're looking for, you come right here under category. And as you can see, engineering operations 0, that means they don't have any remote work positions. Under these categories, that's showing 0. Information technology is showing 1, legal 3, marketing 5. Now let's say we're working in remote and we want to go in marketing. So we're going to go ahead and click right there. It's going to filter. See? Filtered it just now, and it's showing the filter right here, one of the filters right here. Now if you should scroll down, you'll be able to filter by country. Right now, for all these countries showing on the screen, is showing 0, so they do not have any jobs showing in marketing for that. And in the United States, they have 5. Okay, and remember, this is just for one category. If I should uncheck the category, you may see more. For example, let's go ahead and uncheck. All right, should refresh. There we go. Here is showing Ireland has 2 for Japan, 5 for United Kingdom, 44 for the United States. And that comprises of all the categories because we unchecked the marketing box. Okay. Now, just for this video, I'm going to go ahead and filter for the United States since I'm based there. If you're in South Africa, you can do it. It's showing 1 job in South Africa, so you can jump on that. I did get some inquiry as it relates to that for jobs for in Africa. Here you can see they have Zoom contact center sales specialist. Okay, for my African peeps from the motherland. All right, and this is for BPO, business process outsourcing. All right, and just let's go ahead and just take a look into it. Okay, if you click on it right here, it's going to show you. It says Zoom is looking for a seasoned business development professional to sell our Zoom customer experience portfolio. Okay, and you can go ahead and read about the role and see if you qualify. All right, it's not showing the pay right here, so in your interview you can they may disclose that. I normally don't ask about pay in my first interview. That's just me. I was always told that I shouldn't. But it may be different for different industries, and it's a modern time now, so maybe that wouldn't be so bad, to ask upfront what that salary or so forth will be all about. I prefer when they disclose it on the job posting, though. That way I can avoid that awkward moment. Well, I find it awkward. I don't know about anybody else. All right, so let's go ahead and filter it for the United States. Let's uncheck South Africa. Remember to always uncheck, guys, unless you definitely want to see jobs within that specific country. Now let's go ahead and select United States. It says 44 jobs, okay? And then you can filter it by city as well. All right, Boston 12, Chicago 2, and doesn't really matter because for Paris and stuff like that, it's not showing anything. I guess they don't move the job itself, like Singapore, for example. They don't move the city, but they do show 0, 0 and stuff like that. So Seattle 1, Seattle, Washington, remote, they have 30. Okay, so let's just do remote only. All right. And we're going to leave it for Work Vivo, and we're going to leave it for Zoom. Okay, so it's 5 here, 25 available jobs here, total of 30. Okay, now they have Senior Product Manager. Let's go ahead and click on this first one. This seems like it's remote, but it does seem like it's remote in Utah. It's either or. It's either saying that, okay, you're going to work remotely from home, all right, but you need to live in Utah. Or it's saying that the headquarters or the head office, a physical location, is based in Utah, but you can also work remote anywhere in the United States. So normally the description here will show us that. Okay, normally it doesn't always. So you can always inquire with a recruiter or whoever is interviewing you. Sorry about that. Oops, what just happened? Okay, we're good. All right. So Senior Product Manager, okay? So you can read about the about Zoom right here, about the role. Dive into competitive research and understand the competitive landscape of digital omni-channel contact centers and admin web portals. Connect with customers to understand their goals and needs, then translate them into solutions that we can deliver. You will work closely with the ML team to drive research into new techniques, to ingest, partition, and serve up information, define product requirements, and work with the user experience team to design our product, promote our product and vision to customers of all sizes, from sole proprietors to Fortune 100 executives. Now, they're saying about you need to have 5+ years of experience as a product manager, 3+ years of experience building and launching AI-powered applications and services, 2+ years of experience working with enterprise software, professional experience creating technical product and design documents. Now, they are listing here some preferred qualifications. I always say whenever they say preferred, it doesn't mean that if you don't have it, you can't apply. It's not required, but it will just have you being more competitive. Okay, so they want you to have preferably a bachelor's degree, for being familiar with AI/ML/NLP, familiar with CRM systems or CRM, which is customer relationship management systems, / customer support experience. And you should also, preferably have a desire to coach and mentor others. Now, this is a salary range. The minimum salary is $90,500 and the maximum is $209,200. So guys, it's a probability for you to get a 6-figure salary as it relates to qualifications and what you have to bring to the table, how your interview goes, and so on. In addition to the base salary and or OTE listed, Zoom has a total direct compensation philosophy that takes into consideration base salary, bonus, and equity value. Okay. Now, they're saying here, note, starting pay will be based on a number of factors and commensurate with qualification and experience. Same like what I said earlier. Okay. We also have a location-based compensation structure. There may be a different range for candidates in this and other locations. All right. So based on your location, your compensation and so forth may be different. Okay. Now, if you're interested in this position, guys, you can go ahead and apply. If you're not interested in this, remember I showed you how to filter and search for jobs. So all you got to do is go to the view all jobs page. All right. If you don't want remote, uncheck remote. Okay. If you do not want United States, uncheck it. And just go ahead and research and check the other countries based on your location. All right, go ahead and filter that in. You can filter in your city as well. Again, you can uncheck remote if you want to go to a physical location, or if you want to be hybrid, you can go ahead and filter that as well. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments if you have any specific industry that you'd want for me to research for you. If you're from a specific country, let me know as well. If you want for me to, go ahead and do some research as it relates to jobs that may be available to you, as it relates to, these job hunting that we're doing. I really appreciate you guys. I got a report. Fun fact, let me just share a happy moment with you guys. I got a report, I think it was yesterday, that my channel has gotten 10,000 views and I now have 313 subscribers. It warms my heart to know that initially when I decided to start YouTube, I wanted to bring value. I didn't just want to do something random. A lot of thought went into what I want to bring to the table. I love helping people, and a lot of times I'm researching jobs and it's so daunting sometimes to especially read everything, and I'm like, how can I make a difference, So this is one of the reasons why I started this channel, to help and make a difference. Right, I enjoy doing that, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so very much for subscribing, for liking the videos, and just being a part of this community. Let's continue supporting each other, uplifting each other. All right, stay tuned, guys, for more videos like these. All right, I'm gonna be bringing more videos for the rest of the week, so definitely subscribe so that you can stay updated. Thank you. God bless, love, and peace.